Hi kids, welcome to
Kids Show! Or my toy show!
Okay, which one do you want to open first, Dominic?
The other one.
Who's on the door?
A Pooh is.
Cool chameleons. Let me go get my keys.
Oh,
Wriggling reptiles.
I think Romeo is behind this.
Hi, there's a crime scene and there's a truck accident.
No.
PJ Pests.
Who do you think is behind that?
Batman.
No?
Batman, you need to go check out this scene.
No?
So,
I'm going out here.
oh, Dominic, who did you find?
I found Romeo and
Good job. Let's call.
Ask that Romeo where those keys are.
Say, where are those keys, Romeo?
What the kids, Romeo? They're right here.
I think we need to call Catboy and Gekko. Say, Catboy, Gekko. We found Romeo.
Yo, go
He's at Batman's cave.
Tell
Okay.
him. Is he going to jail?
Yes, he is.
Yeah, put him in the jail.
He's what?
You got the keys now. Okay.
Thank you, Dominic, for helping us catch Romeo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now
we
let's
get
open
to
some
open it.
toys today.
Now we're going to the one.
No, we got to go up the one at top. The top first. Open the top. Where's the scissors?
Oh, I found a choo-choo train light bug.
Here, you want me to open it?
Yeah. I the What's
Here.
this?
You got Thomas.
Show the camera. Who'd you get?
Now, which door
Oh,
do
you
you want
got
to open?
Thomas.
Which door do you want to open?
This
The red one?
Yeah.
Okay. Open it.
No, no. Dad, what was it?
Who is it?
No, no.
Num nums.
Oh,
Open it.
I want to again. And there's here. And here's the num-num thing. And here's the my bug.
Here, let me open it.
And I played. And there's the way that play. Wait, they have to wait. Wait, the pepper bag. Wait a lot.
Ready? Who is it? Ready? I'm going to dump them into your hand. Put your hand out. Who'd you get? Let me see. Can I see? Look, you got that guy. And then look,
Oh.
which color does he go? Move. Move. Look at that.
Yeah.
Here, stand
And then
back there so
watch.
you can show
He
everybody.
goes in here and then watch this.
I think I'm going to open.
Hold on, let's
Not
see.
ready,
Show
look.
the camera who you got.
Show him. Say, what do they do?
They wait up.
They light up?
Yeah.
Okay, turn them off now. Press the top. No, the top. There you go. Okay, now put him right here.
Does it smell?
No. Okay, now which door do you want to open, bud? Which key? Tell me.
Oh, I will do it.
Okay, get out of the way. We can't see, buddy.
You got it here.
We want to see who you're going to pick.
Put him right there.
I'm
Here.
going to pick Tamatoa.
Tamatoa,
All
which
right.
color is that?
I think yellow.
Yellow, so find the yellow key.
Is this it?
Yep.
Okay, that was Tamatoa.
So you got to open that.
And now over there. I think here.
What do you have there? It looks like you got a Paw Patrol collectible keychain.
Oh, yeah. That's my...
Sit down.
Oh, Marshall. Marshall.
You think you'll get Marshall?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Did I give? Did I?
Still, we can't see you.
I think you'll get Rocky.
Yeah, he's not good. And here's
Scoot here.
No, you scoot over here, buddy, so we can see everybody now. Sit
Put your
down.
hand out.
Dominic, we can't see. Sit down, buddy.
You got Rocky.
Did you get right?
Let's
Yep.
see. Show the camera.
Rocky.
Turn him around. What does Rocky say?
Rocky is on the cake.
think that's Chase. I think that says Chase is on the case.
And
I think Rocky says,
what do you use it? We use it.
I don't know, kids. What does Rocky say? Leave it in the comments.
We use it.
What door are you going to do next, Dominic?
Oh, can you put me? How we will get 5. Wait,
What door are you going to do next, Dominic?
I hope the what did it say? What did it say?
Who is it?
It's Hey Hey.
Let us see. I can't see. Hey, hey. What did you get?
A Hot Wheels.
Oh, that's so cool.
And I'm going to try the box. What?
Well, who's coming to join us? It's Marshall.
Hi, Marshall.
Hi.
I got Hot Wheels.
You got Hot Wheels. Here, I'll open it.
Okay.
Put your hand out.
That's what I got.
Whoa! And then look, you got a sticker.
Oh, I did it. I got black one.
Let's see. I can't see it. Oh, that's cool. Let's see the car.
The car? Okay.
Yeah.
Car.
Oh, wow. Can you put it down? Let's see. Oh, that's neat.
It can go very fast. It can go very fast. Okay, it can go very fast.
All right. Let's do the next one.
Okay. I know I'm going to do the lava monster. The lava monster is right there.
He's going to do the lava monster.
Yeah. And let's show you here. Huh? Pumpkin.
Here, sit
Got
down.
Tsum Tsum. Here.
Oh,
You want me to open them?
yeah.
Who do you think you're going to get, Dominic?
I think.
I think you'll get Falcon.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I was right. You got Falcon.
See?
Whoa. Here, let's put his thing.
Let's put them together.
Look at that. He got a little bird with him.
He did.
Yeah. And his bird goes right there. And look, ready?
And where he
His
go?
name is Falcon. And he goes right there. Isn't that cool, guys?
Yeah, it's cool.
Here. Open the next one.
Okay.
What door are you going to do next, Dominic?
The green one's with Maui.
All
Green
right.
one, Maui. Okay. Who are you going to get? You got a Flip-a-Zoo. Here, let me open it.
Margaret's going to join us. Margaret's going to join us.
I think you'll get the turtle.
Victoria, okay?
Dump it out.
No,
Who you get? Oh, who do you
Uh-oh,
get?
fell out.
Who does he flip into? Let me see.
He flipped into crocodile.
Oh, he's a hippo.
Oh, boy.
And then an alligator.
We have alligators in Florida, don't we, Dominic? We watch them in the lakes.
Now what door are you going to do?
And he can change back into where? Now he's taking back in the crocodile. He's back in the crocodile.
Okay, now which one do you want to open, Dominic?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, let me flip him a while. But he's not. Oh, there he is. And the alligator. Wait.
Okay, which key do you want to do?
The pink one.
So you've already opened these guys. Open the guys that you've opened. Okay.
No, I don't. Nothing. Nothing.
Okay, this is the last one.
All right, Moana.
Okay, Moana. Okay.
What'd you get? What is that? It looks like it's an Animal Jam.
Yeah! I love Animal Jams. And now we're going to do the box.
Yeah.
In the next video.
Be sure to subscribe and give us a big thumbs up for more blind bag videos.
Give them a big thumbs up,
Ready?
Dominic.
Okay.
Give them a thumbs up.
Subscribe.
Here, ready? Ready? Who are you going to get? Oh, I'm firm. Oh, he
Ooh.
flew out. You got a kitty.
Oh, it's so cute.
Oh, put him back in his house now.
Oh, he was filling him. Oh, my.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Thanks, kids, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
For more videos.
Say bye.
All right.
Dominic, can you tell them bye?
Bye. Let's